Yo. Switch to everybody to join up. Put this on Ryan, my brother. Another week for us, man. Let's do it. Everyone on TikTok, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? People joining through. Let's give them a chance to come in. This week, I can feel it. Let's fucking go, man. You got it. Mitchell, my man. I'm glad you're coming back, brother. We'll talk about bias and everything. What is better, Top Step? I would use Top Step personally. Just waiting for people to join up here. Let me ping the Discord, actually. Forgot to ping the Discord. Yo, if you're not in the Discord, come through. What broker to use? I use Top Step and My Fund of Futures. And then first, I also use TradeStation. If you're not in the Discord, come through. I have a whole bunch of ebooks that are free. You're going to love these books. You Trade ICT. That's completely free. Let's notify the Discord that we're live. Because we're a little bit early. I thought Webull. Yeah, Webull's good. I was using Webull. I switched over to TradeStation just because I like the commissions were just slightly better, and I just like TradeStation. But Webull's good. Good morning, Carlo. Since Friday price action is so good. Looks like it. It's good for futures. Webull's good for futures, yeah. Can't complain about Webull for sure. We'll cover price action. Just waiting for some people to join up. Usually we get quite more people, so before I have to repeat everything, we'll just wait. What's up, MMXM? What's a buy for day trade? Talking about stocks? 4 hour, yep, all that stuff. Of course it was good. Everything literally tanked on Friday. I mean, if you were short, then yeah, Friday was good for you, bro. Can't deny that. Take a bite out of our bagel. Oh shit. Got cream cheese on my hand. Call you're in longs. Good luck, brother. No, XRP actually looks pretty good. Just take it, Koala. Why not just take it? XRP actually looks pretty good. Buy from previous week low. It's a good plan. It's not a bad plan. I'll go over what I'm looking for. Just waiting for some more people to join. What's up, Sing? How am I doing? I'm honestly doing wonderful, bro. Honestly doing wonderful. Can't complain whatsoever. I'm just happy to grind. I was in the lab all weekend. I feel very good. Very good indeed. What's this blue line? Oh, it's TGIF level. What's up? What's up, Boyan? I'll start marking out some key levels. I got you, George. Don't worry, bro. If I eat, you eat, bro. We all eat. Everyone who supports me is gonna eat with me, bro. when we're up like that, trust me, we're all eating together. If you think that, if you guys think the PDF I just released was good, bro, you guys have no idea, man. I was in the lab and just know it's about to be fucking crazy. It's about to be crazy. Oh, I like that 4-hour CB low. I like that 4-hour CB low. Right aligned with previous day equilibrium. Yeah, I like that. 20693.5, 20693. I bet you guys didn't know you could do this. I like that. When Bitcoin moon long and as 100. Valid. We're waiting for some more people to join up here, and then we'll start discussing. Just waiting. I'll go over my bias. I'll go over my plan. I'll go over every single thing that I see that's gonna make me click buy or sell. But I'm taking it all day. Yeah, just stop qual. Yeah, just get the winning days and then leave it. Are you still on the win streak? Could you break your Friday? I mean, we have wins, but no, we lost. We took one loss on Friday. I'm gonna cover everything, Jerry. Just give me a sec, brother. Bro, I want to see you win today. I feel really good, bro. I was in the lab. I feel like we're gonna get rewarded, but you know what? Never, ever, ever get entitled. Ever. I don't care if you lost 100 trades in a row. Don't come into the market being like, I 101 is the trade I'm gonna win. Never. You're setting yourself up for tilt. What's your bias, Salo? Just give me a second, brother. We'll give it like 1 or 2 more minutes. 10 minutes until open. Don't worry, brother. All I need is 30 seconds to explain. Yep. Once you get entitled to winning or losing, if you get entitled, listen to me, guys. Everyone listening to me, trust me. Trust me. Unless you are a demon and you have no emotions, if you go into the market and you're like, this trade looks so good, I'm gonna win, or you lost the last two, you're like, you know what, today must be a win, or this price action so good, I must win. That is setting yourself up for failure, because you are, if you lose, then when you lose in that mindset, it's gonna hurt a lot more than if you're like, yeah, I might lose. I'm expecting to lose. You're not gonna care as much because you were ready, So never ever get too entitled. Okay, we'll give it 1 more minute here. Just give me 1 minute for all the people. Are you still learning? No, at this point, the only thing I learn is from myself. ICT can't really teach me anymore. What's up, Blaze? Blaze, I'm gonna promote you in the server, but you gotta be a little bit more active, okay? But you can get more attention that way. I mean, whatever you need to do, June, to make sure you're okay with losing, For me, I'm not saying expect to lose, just know that you might lose, The idea is, I didn't mean like necessarily expect to lose, like every trade you take sucks, but don't get the one thing. XRP looks really good, actually. It does look really good. It'll probably keep going up. Okay, it's cover buys. Starting on the weekly, we took all-time highs. We had a large move down. Okay. In my opinion, on the higher time frame, we can potentially flip this monthly chart. I think we can eventually trade below here. So higher time frame macro narrative, I'm bearish. It's a soft bias, but I think this is going to continue to wick and reverse. I think we've had high enough prices. Elections sent us higher. That's kind of my macro perspective on things. But we don't have to go that far yet because we're not there. On the weekly, we had TGIF met. So initially, I was bullish, looking for TGIF levels. I talked about this. If you guys have been following me, 20 to 30%. If it doesn't hit Friday, someone asked me, can it hit Monday? it'll usually hit Monday. 20% was hit right there. So that's TGIF retracement. However, I'm still bullish this week. Sorry, I'm bearish this week, but on this Monday, I want to see higher prices because, what's up, Phil? Yeah, I don't trade YM, but it's good to always know. I think we move higher here just to accumulate more shorts. So maybe we go to previous day equilibrium or that 4 hour, which is kind of my intraday drawn liquidity, and then later on in the week, these lows are what I'm going to be looking for in the week. For now, we're bullish, looking for a deeper retracement because I'm bearish. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I feel like that should make sense. You're doing it full time. I do it every day, but it's not like my full-time income yet. Why are you bearish? Why are you bearish on the higher time frame? Monthly power of 3. I think we can put in a bearish fair value gap here, wick, and then go down. You bullish or bearish? Right now, short term, I'm looking for longs. Bullish. Bullish. Market structure says bullish. We haven't had manipulation in the day. Any trade available? We're going to be looking for, if we can get this, I'll take that. I'll take that. Or if we get this, take that as well. The easiest way to get by today is it's Monday. You're not expecting large expansion. So don't expect it. It's already been going down. Don't expect it to come down and then just keep going. That's unlikely. It's more likely to retrace. It's going to set up for Tuesday, or it'll just consolidate, in which case it'll still go up because we're in discount. So days like this seems pretty simple. Yep, we got it, Kaneki. We got it, bro. Are you trading crypto? Just on the side, but barely. What's the most money you made in a day? It was one trade, 2,000. It was my biggest trade. Is that what you mean? You're already in long, so I'm hoping 930 just displaces. So it's possible it does because we manipulated just before 930. Let me check the economic calendar if we have. I mean, it's definitely possible 930 distributes. In my opinion, I think we'll still get a one leg lower, and we just keep these equal highs. That's what would be best for me. So we leave these equal highs, dump to the fair value gap. Yes, your narrative is Y. And then going higher. The only reason I favor that is because, well, for one, we can get in a trade. Yep, you can ask me. You can ask me, Sarvan. No news today. Nah, nothing really impactful. Please just tell me the name of the broker. I'm going to be using My Funded Futures and Top Step today. So prop firms. You lost 2 5K prop firms. That's okay, bro. So what? Doesn't mean you're a failure, bro. We're going to look to buy Nasdaq if my setup forms. I mean, if we get the breaker, yeah. I like it from here, though. I really like it from here. This would be an A+ setup if we can come here. Looking to sell? That's okay, bro. We're going to have different biases. I'm in North America, Kaneki. Lot size? Whatever your risk management plan says so. Wayne Jerry, what's up, brother? That is true, Wayne Jerry. I'm still bearish higher time frame, but right now we're looking for longs. No. Can you claim break of structure? Break of structure is, so look at the structure right now. This is a low, right? Just do this. This is a low. This is a high, right? This is a low. So this is your structure. This is down structure, I guess, to keep it simple. And there's another high here, so let's just include that. This is your structure right now. So if we're going to break the structure, what do we need to do? You need to come back above this high. That's as simple as that. So just mark out your significant highs and lows with arrows if it makes it easy for you. And then just know the break of structure will occur right here if we can get up here. Obviously, it's a different time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we haven't broken structure. On the 1-minute time frame, well, we broke structure a long time ago over here. So Could we consider this an internal trend break? Any trading friends? Well, welcome, brother. Good morning, Yusuf. Internal trend break. I mean, I don't really trade with that terminology, but if you think this is a downtrend, then yeah, this can be a internal trend break, brother. Let's mark out our org high. Sorry, org low. This is where we closed. Oops. All right. To the upside. Yeah, exactly. So this is your downtrend, right? I'm guessing this is what you're saying, and then you're saying this is a break to the upside. I mean, if you want to look at it through that lens, yeah, I'm kind of looking for something similar, just not in that perspective. XRP looks pretty bullish, man. Second stage silver bullet would be nice. I think we can honestly get here by 10 and then just consolidate, but we'll see. Like I said, this is what I want to see. So if we can see this, that's good. That's really good. We don't need to take this low. We can. I would favor we not, but we can. It wouldn't invalidate the trade because we still have the hourly here. The idea is this hourly and new week is sending us higher, but okay. It's 9:30 and we've already tapped into this fair value gap. ES has tapped into the fair value gap. 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Okay, so we entered the fair value gap like we said. We don't even need to go any lower, though. To be honest, this is longable as is. You trade every day, every single day, bro. I'm here until you see me driving like 2 or 3 Lamborghinis. I'll be here. No, I'm just joking, but I will be here. Yeah. This teal is really good, man. If you struggle with psychology, just drink tea, bro. Drink tea while you trade. Like, there's no way you can get like messed up. You know, you literally can't. It's the most calming thing. If this inverses, we go long. Simple. Why do you see longs from internal liquidity? First of all, this is an imbalance. So I'm looking for inefficiency, then liquidity. Because we have relative equal highs here, which I really like as a drawn liquidity, I think we can definitely get here. We can definitely get here. So I'm looking at this low. I'm looking at this fair value gap. The daily BPR. I mean, maybe in the macro perspective of things, realistically, the best long, we wouldn't even take this low. We would just boom. But if we get this inversion right here, we can go long. Okay. Our first potential sign of rejection from the 15-minute fair value gap. See if it happens. One hour CE wick is valid too. Yeah. We just need to see displacement up. If we don't get displacement up, then we're looking for this low. My eye jumps to these lows. No, it's not quality. It's just making shit up, bro. Okay. See if we get it. First presentation on ES. If we invert that, and then invert this, it can work out. I'll probably enter with buy limit, yeah, if it forms. Right now, it's looking like this low might get taken, which is fine. Look at the OTE of this range. So we hit the OTE 0.618, fair value gap right here inside the 15. We took out this low. It's definitely possible we can rally from here. I like this potential breaker that's forming. Bias, I'm looking for a long here. 930 Judas swing long. I just need to see this inverse. The trade will look something like this. A pretty awful risk reward trade, if I'm being honest. Maybe we can get a bullish fair value gap instead to give us better risk reward. You top take that short, targeting range low, but ideally 2-0-3-1. Nice, bro. That's really good, bro. Proud of you, man. Looks like we might go to that low. That low for sell side. And full gap closure. You're so mad? What happened, Elliot? Why are you mad, bro? Put up a crazy short last night. We hit 2.1K. Nice, bro. That's amazing. Let's get it, Trex. Straight to 10K, bro. Bro, 10K subs, and maybe, just maybe, I'll shake ass on stream, bro. I'm not even joking, bro. No, obviously I'm joking, but 10K subs would be crazy, bro. That's like not something I ever even imagined. It's not even anything I imagined. But longer than 15-minute bullish FVG, expecting NWAC to act as support. You going like 15-minute, huh? Like stop loss at the low? It's not a bad way to go about it. We're accumulating inside this fair value gap right now. So potentially some time distortion here, maybe waiting for the macro. ES did inverse, but I need to see NASDAQ inverse. This would be invalid for me unless NASDAQ bias. Right now, we're looking for higher price. Yep, see, yeah, it's not not good enough for me yet. ES is going. Okay, we can take this potentially. Let's switch over to our entry chart. We're gonna take this on the inversion. If ES NQ inverses. If yep, ES is ripping, yeah, and we'll have to break even at these highs. You longs? No, no. You'll see. You'll see if I take a trade. I'm waiting. It should be a 7 limit. If we touch this wick and start to displace, I'm gonna enter. If we start to go up now, I'm gonna enter just 7 without even waiting. We touched it. I'm gonna wait for the inverse though. I feel like this is gonna go up. Alright, I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna get him. BS on the inversion. Let's see. Really good risk on this trade, so. $9.30 due to swing model. Targeting these highs, this imbalance, and then maybe the buy side. I will probably full close at these highs here. This is kind of my drawn liquidity right here. So far, pretty good reaction. I'm gonna put my stop at this candle's low right here. So this is the candle low of the fair value gap on ES. 937. The immediate rebalance low. We have a really good stop loss. Gonna bring my stop loss here now. Reduce risk slightly. Strong reaction there. You can even bring the stop loss a little higher here. I'll bring the stop loss right here. So good risk management. Sharp rejection there, which I don't like, but there is a volume imbalance there, so damn, very sharp reaction there. Still looks bullish to me, but we'll see. DJ, honestly, no, I still use it. I have no idea. You have to ask Sam. What broker? TopSap and My Fund Futures. I just type it in, bro. Like, I don't know. Kishimo. I'm using TopSap and I think Asia highs is possible. I'm not gonna hold it for that long. The trade should have been 300 and we got filled out there. On my account, my other account, I'm still in. Did I really just get liquidated like that? Let's see. I'm still in the trade here. I didn't get stopped. Why long this market? Because I think it's gonna go up. I still think it's gonna go up. This is gonna be a stop out probably on this account. It's the same stop loss. I just didn't get failed on this one. I had it one tick lower. Okay, very good risk there. No, I'm not holding past stop loss. We're gonna look for a re-entry. ES is still so bullish. I still think it's gonna go up. We can maybe wait for the macro or wait for this fair value gap here. I still definitely think it's gonna go up. Maybe it was just bad stop loss placement, you know? It's definitely, in my opinion, it's like definitely gonna go up. If we get a bullish fair value gap here, I'll re-enter. Just so unfortunate. We just got liquidated. This low? Nah, it's not good. Because it could just be waiting for the macro. Thing consolidation. The only true good stop loss is here. Even that could get stopped out. We got an SMT there. I'm just gonna wait for the macro. EDUBR. I bet you it still goes up, bro. That's a 2-minute fair value gap. I ate a bagel. Dumping? No, this is not dumping. This is dumping to you? Nope, I'm waiting for the macro. I'm waiting for 950. The fact that I mean, yo, the setup failed on NASDAQ, but it didn't fail on ES. Maybe we should have taken ES there. But either we wait for a silver bullet or 950 macro, which actually had a bagel. Why? I'm trading NASDAQ. That's okay, bro. You can go against me. What T? I think it's cardamom or something. Yeah, me too, Ari. Me too, to be honest. Macro perspective, I'm bearish. But I think higher prices today. We get this SMT, then we can maybe go long in the macro. Do you support new traders with financial? No, bro. Who do you think I am, bro? Yeah, that's a really good setup. I would take it again. I mean, it's still valid on ES. I guess the time wasn't that clean, but that was a really good displacement, though. Macro is crazy. Macro means nothing. Then don't use it, my brother. How can you trade with NASDAQ? Which broker? I use prop firms, brother. But you can use brokers like Trade-O-Vate, NinjaTrader, Webull, any broker, really. The macro means nothing if you can't understand PA. I think I understand PA just well, brother. But I appreciate you. All right, there's the SMT. Let's see this. If the SMT holds, when we go up, then pocket options, good broker. I've never heard of them, to be honest. Yep, I traded CFDs before. Let's see what happens here. Do you recommend trading on a fund? Of course, yes, of course. Unless you have a lot of capital, then you don't need to. But don't worry about the S&T, fam. Well, let's see. If we inverse this 15-minute, we left these highs here. I guess we did take out the highs 915 on ES. I still would have expected it to come here, at least. We'll just have to wait till 10 a.m. If it's not clear for us, we're just gonna have to wait. Such a shallow, like I would have expected a deeper move. I'm trading the micros. Still like the longs. We'll just have to wait. I can't be bearish in this market yet. I'm not bearish. If ES gives an inversion here, that's good enough for me. Should have been bearish since last night. No. Down 0.65%. That's okay, bro. He's gonna lose this next trade if he goes long, guys. Yeah, I think, you know what? And you know what? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I think you should go live, bro. And we should watch you trade. Who's with me? Nice BPR and ES. This. I mean, the fact that it inversed here means we're probably going to take this low. So yeah, this long is definitely not valid. We just wait. We just wait. This is NASDAQ. Yes, this is NASDAQ. Just wait. You know, in hindsight, we could have broke even this trade, but it gave the inversion. That's the only reason I didn't break even, is because it inversed. So I was like, this looks really good. But it is what it is. Very bullish order flow for a moment there. Invalidating. Didn't even take the highs. I guess we never got the change in the state of delivery, though, so it's pretty valid, you know? If I'm not really starting the week over a 6K win. Trying to help y'all, bruh. Yes, this guy's apparently the GOAT. Okay, ES, potential inversion here. If ES inverses, that's good. Inversion inside the macro. The SMT is still there, but yeah, I mean, the low is pretty close. It looks like we might get an SMT at that low. I would favor we don't even go there. Like, I'll long this on if we get a bullish fair value gap here, maybe. Or just take the inversion on. Again, we got the inversion. I guess there's a higher up fair value gap though, so it's not a real inversion. 3-minute immediate rebalance. Anyone who's using those highs or medium macros is unprofitable. The fact that you think that's all I'm using, it tells me that, you know, you don't know what you're talking about. A breaker here would be nice, but I don't expect it. But a breaker here would be nice. SMT is when there's a crack in correlation between these pairs. So if one pair does this, if one pair does this and the other one does this, then there's SMT there because they're not doing the same thing. So why every time you live you take more than one trade and always lose? I'm on a losing streak, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is. I want to take a shower. You enter long 8:35. Nope. I start stream at 9:15. But everything about Pippin. Is that a Scottie Pippen crypto, bro? Is that what that is? Previous week low. It's possible. We just keep going lower. It's definitely possible. If so, that's where I would expect it to go. Yeah. I would have expected a deeper retracement, but it is possible that the week is going to be bullish and we manipulate down and then up to a daily fair value gap. That was like my second narrative for higher time frame. So like we go down, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday low week, and then back up, and then maybe the next week down. That's a lot of predictions though. But yeah, I'm looking for longs too, guts, but this losing streak's crazy. I mean, I won 2 trades ago, 3 trades ago. It's just not consistent yet. I'm gonna get rid of this guy because he's starting to annoy me. Yeah, it is pretty choppy, right? I mean, it's not too choppy. ES kind of choppy. But how long you been trading for? It's been about a year, bro. All right. The SMT is still there. What is the macro? Macro is a time where you expect a price run towards liquidity or inefficiency. This is a live account. This is my funded futures. This is a my funded futures eval, and I'm trading on my top step accounts. So trading on two firms at the same time. What's an SMT? All right, listen. Look at the chart on the left. You see this? We came lower. We came lower than this low. But look at the chart on the right. We did not. Now, this isn't like the strongest SMT because order flow is bearish. But if we start to go higher, you can trust this low because of the crack and correlation. So this is telling me that this asset on the right is stronger than the asset on the left because of this SMT. You can only see one chart. You got to flip your phone to go sideways. If we get the order block here, that'd be a pretty good long too. Or we just wait for a 10 a.m. silver bullet. We get better risk to reward now anyways if this trade hits. Nasdaq is the one that's lagging. Well, it depends. Are you bullish or bearish? Right now, ES is stronger, but like I said, this SMT is not like it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. It looks like we'll probably take it out now. Can you check EU? Sure, I can check EU quickly. I wouldn't look for longs, tell you that much. Not after taking the buy side. You can maybe expect like 10. It's gonna stay around this range. Next 5 minutes goes down and then up. Possible. Oh, let's look at the chart here because we have more information here. News at 10 is yellow folder news. You short now? I wouldn't short here, but you can. You can short and look for the sell side level. Good low of day, right? No, it's not even low of day. It's just sell side. Just wait. Yeah, just wait. Simply, we just wait. Yes, it's bearish until we get broken. Yeah, I think that's gonna get broken as well. Trading on my fund of futures as well. Yep, MFF is nice. Asia lows in reverse. Maybe possible, for sure possible. Asia lows would be over here. Oh, previous day low maybe. Could just be wrong about the. I don't expect large downside expansion though. I still think it'll go up, especially it being on a Monday. But in the macro perspective, long term incubation, that's what I'm looking for. But see if it forms or not. Yeah, I would need to see sell side get taken here maybe. Is the profit real from trading? If you're a good trader, yeah, it's real. If you're a bad trader, then it's not real until you do good. I've been trading for 1 year, brother. Just about a year. Yeah, I'm definitely waiting for silver bullet. This market structure is not going to be valid enough for me. I guess this is your 930 Judas. I mean, if we took a buy side here, I would understand this. But this strong of a retracement into like what it looks like to be nothing. I mean, I guess maybe the flat body, you know. This is a good long though. It inverted all PD rays. You got the immediate rebalance, currently higher. Like in the last 2 months, Ryan, no. 2 months ago, I was break even. Last month was a losing month. Before that, yes, I was profitable. So we got to kind of bounce back, you know? It is what it is. What's your bias? Looking for longs, but if they don't form around 10 a.m., then probably won't happen. The 1 hour CE, I think it's going to get run through for sure. But we're back into the new week opening gap, which I like. This SMT is still valid somehow. It's probably going to get run through at 10 and then long. What chart? NASDAQ and then S&P 500 as well. You got to look at them both. I actually like Monday. I like the range. I mean, not this range, but I like this. I like playing the range like this. Usually two is my max, Chris. It depends on the trade I take though. I'm going to look for a long. XRP looks pretty bullish in my opinion. You're shorting? Good luck, brother. You might be right, bro. I wouldn't trust this. You know, this 5-minute short's actually not bad. Might take this. Take it short and then take it long after if it forms. There's no 5-minute on ES even. Playing with the order flow. See? You're long on my FFU. Good luck, bro. I don't know if it's gonna go up yet, but it's possible. Why are you so set on long? You got S&T at the highs. The reason I'm set on long is because I expect these equal highs to get taken, this fair value gap to get played, and I want to see a move higher than Asia highs. My true drawn liquidity is here, if I'm being honest. It's this 4-hour imbalance up here that hasn't been touched. We're also in a 4-hour bullish fair value gap, so I'm expecting that to be held, playing off of this discount 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So I think we can get a deeper move. Now I'm still bearish higher time frame, but in my opinion, if we take previous day low, I'm no longer bullish because it wouldn't make sense. That would be invalidating the 4-hour, invalidating this 4-hour as well, probably. So if anything, I'll wait for this 5-minute to inverse. Yeah, I wouldn't short this. Yeah, the 4-hour still looks really bullish in my opinion. We have a 4-hour fair value gap above now. We're just gonna have to wait and see. 10 a.m. will clear things up for us because right now it's still kind of confusing. There's your 10 a.m. open. We invert this 5-minute. Maybe we can go long off that. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. I like the 3-minute actually. It looks pretty clean. I mean, if we took the 3-minute, our stop would have to be here. Is that a good stop? We could take this 1-minute fair value gap. Bad risk to reward. If we inverse the 3, 1 minute left. Looks like it's gonna go without us. Unfortunate. Unfortunate, we were right. I mean, we could still take ES. ES is still the more bullish asset. Yeah, the breaker played there. If there was a fair value gap there, I could have, but no fair value gap. You took that short this morning? Nice, bro. It's gonna rip without us. Yeah, I mean, we called it out nicely. I don't think we can get in on this anymore, even. I mean, the displacement's pretty strong. We could look for Asia highs. We could look for Asia highs. If, like, I wouldn't mind this. I wouldn't mind this at all, actually. I would take this. But we'd have to break even at these highs. I'd have to break even at those highs, which is still 2R, actually. So we could just get rid of it at those highs. We're also inside the 15-minute bearish. Yeah, we have to expect it to. Oh man, this is setting up. She's getting confusing. I mean, looks like we're running right through. I'm still gonna stick with my bullish narrative. Could just take the fair value gap on ES. That's a 1-to-1 on ES. That's so bad. We could target midnight open on ES. You think we stay really bullish here? Yeah, I don't want to chase this, but it is quite sad. We were pretty right about where it was going to go. I mean, we're almost at TP1. No way I could have got in there, too. Like, not even down ticks. Just the most bullish order flow ever. You took profits? Nice, bro. What's up, Gatie? Back from vacation. Gonna lock in for next month. Get funded. Let's do it, bro. Yeah, I mean, we called it out. I don't think we can get in on the trade anymore. It's kind of upsetting, but it is what it is. We're trading NASDAQ, but we missed the trade. I called out this OB too, and could have taken the OB, I guess. And that's why you wait for the macro. Yeah, I mean, we missed it. That's it, you know? TP1 now. That's 4-hour bearish fair value gap. You just click the layout, brother. So this over here, select the layout and select the second one. I don't even see a clean on this 1 minute. Yeah, you could. Oh, the 2 minute is there. Yeah, it's there. It's there. It's not enough for me. I wanted to see more though, because 10 a.m. was here. 10 a.m. could have, but it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. We called it out nicely. That's what really matters. And we manage our risk really well. The difference Nasdaq price for me is 2. Now I'm on. You gotta click beta adjust. That's 1. I mean, the 1 minute FEG at 952. The 1 minute FEG 952. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, I did close strong there. I mean, that's your order block as well. Yeah, definitely valid. Look at the 5 minute now. It's not even longable at all. The only way I get on this is if we come to a 50%, which is probably not gonna happen. Oh, you mean from here? Oh, okay. That's insane. Yeah, wow. Nope, we did not catch it, bro. It went without us. We were waiting for it and it went without us. Now we have to wait again, you know? If we get a nice retracement, looks good for sales. I really don't think so. At this point, I think we can probably get to midnight open. Can I sell? I wouldn't, but I mean, you can do whatever you want. How sad is that, huh? I mean, we got time distorted. Should have waited for the macro. Should have waited for the macro. Nope, not funded right now, Dragon. We just got new accounts, brother. Because on Friday, we risked 400. We just went for it. I mean, we only had 2 trades anyways, you know? So it could go for, I think it goes to Asia highs. Yeah, I think it does personally. If we get a retracement, sure. It was, but you know what? It was definitely not A plus either. Because just the timing was off. We got time distorted, you know? Which is fine, you know? Totally fine. Is this still tradable? I saw the 1 minute inversion, but it wasn't enough for me because it formed at 9:59. I wanted to see the 10 a.m. fair value gap or something, you know. Yeah, you could have the unicorn buy here. Yeah, it is valid. That is a breaker. It's too large of a stop loss for me, but if we did come here, maybe. Yeah, if you caught the 1 minute, that's amazing, bro. Unfortunately, we missed it. Yeah, we blew the Thunder Dragon. Is anyone in long? Nah, we missed our entry, bro. Look at that S&T, by the way. It held. It ended up holding. The bank strategy. 614. I mean, I think 597 is your easy objective, but like even now, we just took out the buy side, so like, it's not a bad close. Depends if you want to hold through retracement or not. Yeah, power 3 is super algorithmic. I was eating, I missed it too. I mean, I was here. I didn't miss it. It just didn't really come down at all, you know? Are you in? No, no, no. You'll see it if I'm in. Yep. Discord to revamp. We probably go lower here for a bit. Maybe we can catch something inside this 5 minutes. It's too far now. Too far gone. I think we can definitely come up here though. That would have been TP there. Yeah, we called that out nicely. No, I'm not moving the Forex, but I am going to start trading Forex as well. Go for shorts? Nah, I would if I were to short, I would just aim for this green box that I just drew. Yeah, that was TP1. At least we were right, you know? That's a good move, Elliot. That's what I would do too. So you took, no, you took the 1 minute there. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. The ES is more tradable here. Like I can see a long from here. I can mess with this. It's a huge 3 minute. I mean, that's your 3 minute imbalance, 3 minute stop loss covers. If we took this on ES. The thing is, how is that trade like so bad? I know 3 candle low. So if we entered the same candle on on NQ, took profits at the same level, and risked 300 as well, we would make like so much more money. Well, you have to put your stop loss over the 3 minute fair value gap. Oh, so it'd have to be like this. Oh, it's the same. I can mess with this. I can mess with this. Don't tell me that's the only retracement we're gonna get. That little. Oh, we didn't tap into anything actually. The thing is, I don't like entering trades like this. Your Discord link's not working yet. For some reason, it's not working. I think you gotta copy paste it. You gotta copy paste it. I'm not gonna enter this fair value gap, but I'll wait for it and then see if I can get an entry. I won't leave a limit order there though. You gotta wait for it, brother. I mean, what am I saying? You gotta copy paste it into the browser. For some reason, it just doesn't work on TikTok. It's not the link itself. The link works. It's just it's just TikTok for some reason. Maybe we get a 15 minute or something. Did we touch True Day Open there? Yeah, speaking of True Day Open, why is my True Day Open not showing? True Day Open's all the way up there, bro. True Day Open's all the way up here. I would not mind this. I know, right, beginner? It's like, man, it's been happening so often. Luckily, we reduced our risk there by 60%, so that was good. New week opening gap, valid, yeah. It's super unfortunate there, you know? Everyone was talking shit in the TikTok too. What's up, AJ? Yep, we're gonna look. I mean, we're gonna look for this, and we can take that as a second stage delivery. I'm happy doing that. Just mark out the 3 minute here and see how it reacts. Obviously, need to be cautious here because we took out the 50-minute equal highs, which was our bias. I mean, which was our first drawn liquidity. However, I still think we can go higher. Yes, mini Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq. No, I don't trade the mini. BAG. What's a bag? This is Nasdaq. It does look good time-wise for a second stage. You're right. I'm going for my fund futures and for Top Step Dragon. Gold? I don't really trade gold. We missed our fill. Yeah, it's unfortunate, man. How many contracts? I'm gonna try to risk 300 per trade. Is micro better than mini? It's the same. It's just micro is better for risk management. Dobby coin? I don't know. I love Harry Potter though, so W coin. We could even maybe look for a short from here, targeting the retracement. That's not my style. There's TP on ES. Yeah, this is quite upsetting, if I'm being honest. Very upsetting. Like, not only were we correct about the move, we took a loss before the move, you know? Which I guess is my fault. We took it early, you know? We did take it early. I should have just waited for 9:50 or 10 a.m. We took one loss at him. Well, you're right. We gotta forget that, and we just gotta act correctly now, you know? I have no idea what that is, Jazzy. It's hot in here, bro. I know it's a very small loss too. Like, I really shouldn't be dwelling. Just sad, you know? Like, damn, a full TP, huh? How many people you got on TikTok? Right now, 186 people on TikTok. It is, Ryan, right? It is, bro. Like, it is frustrating, but you gotta not let it affect you, you know? You just took profits. Yes, of course, everyone's taking profits. Gotta say, just being tested right now, Ryan. We're just being tested, you know? Now we can maybe long this fair value gap. Yep, I know. The risk reward was amazing. You don't gotta tell me. Yep. I know. Risk to reward was amazing. The only way you can really get in on this, I mean, man, there's really no, like, unless you were really willing to take the bottom there. Unless you really take the bottom there. Like, we even inverted this. I mean, yeah, I mean, the rejection off the new week opening gap, I mean, you know what? We actually could have taken this like this. The inversion here. That should have been it right there, to be honest. Like, this is where I should have entered this inversion. Because you got the breaker, and it's you know what? It's breaker mitigation as well. Actually, no, it's not in this case. And then you got the breaker, you got the order block, you got the inversion. That's 3 PD raise, 10 a.m. already went lower a little bit, rebalance. Risky to get there though. But let's say you took it there. I'd have to put the stop at the, like, probably the OB low there. Or at least the breaker low. Yeah, there's a small fair value out there. So actually, I'd put it here. TP1 would have been. TP1 wouldn't have even been 2R. If we held it though, would have been 3.8. That's not bad. Maybe put you right now, leave it. Mark will give an opportunity. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait now. Feeling on gold. It's probably gonna come here, brother. This is the daily chart, by the way. So, my liquidity. Huh? I personally don't use 830 open personally. Nope, this is Nasdaq. You could have taken this as a second stage, but I wanted to wait for a liquidity sweep. Anytime we move, you can keep holding it to a buy side. I would have taken something off, depending on your risk reward. My model is if there's 3R and you take a level, like for example this high and that's 3R, I partial there 75%, and then I let the rest go. That's how I do it. TikTok means people watching on phone. I don't know. No, they can watch on computer too, on TikTok if they want to. I don't know. That's unlucky, Xavier. Yeah, it's unlucky. We should just wait for the macro. 50-minute inversion was tough. Yeah, we came back to the 15. Yeah, he would be dragging. He would be. Please add captains. What's captains? Oh, you mean captions? I don't know if I can do that for a live stream, bro. I mean, we called this out really nicely. I bet you the standard deviations lined up really nicely as well. That's your 930 double purge. Looks like -2 is a pretty easy objective now. Yep, I knew the 50 was holding. It's just for me, I needed to see like something like a. Unless you took this breaker inversion right there, there's no other way, in my opinion, to get in. Not for me. Just hit 2K long, no risk trade. You called it out perfectly. Yeah, man. Tends to be what I do here. You know, I be calling shit out perfectly, but then I don't get the win. But you know what? I'm not gonna dwell over anymore. I'm just being a crybaby at this point. Like we missed it, bro. Whatever. We'll be here. Not like I'm gonna die now. We only lost 100. Like that's 66% lower than what I was risking originally on the trade. I don't even care about the loss. I wish I just recognized this better, but that's a hard one. That's a hard one to be honest. You still complaining, my man? Well, how about you? Actually, never mind. You think Chainlink with ETH will skyrocket? Skyrocket? I don't know about skyrocket, but it can go up some more. What do you say to Doc? What's Doc? Wang Jerry shorts? No, I wouldn't even consider shorts at all, in my opinion. For me personally. 6K? I think Bitcoin can get to 100 maybe just because it's a nice number. Yeah, we're good, bro. We're good. The last 2 months is 1 month dragging, just 1 month of terribleness, you know? Couple days broke rules, no trade so far. We took one loss on the long here, bro, and then we didn't get in. But if we follow the rules, we'll be fine. Bro, I literally banned that guy because he was annoying me. But there was someone in my TikTok like, if you take longs, I swear to God, you're gonna lose. Do the opposite of what he says. Bro, most of the streams I lose, but everyone in my chat makes money. You guys don't know how many people message me after a stream like, "Yo, keep your head up, bro. Like I know you lost, but like you called it out and I took the dub." It's actually funny, bro. I'm trading forex, but no news from your trade. That's okay, bro. No, bro, you can do it. Yeah, I'm chilling, guys. I'm chilling. You read price really well. I know. I'm chilling, guys. Don't worry. I'm chilling. Trust me. I feel better than I've ever felt before, even though, like the P&L hasn't been reflecting it. But I feel good. I feel good. Feel real good. I don't mind this 15-minute long at 10:30 if we form it, which we're definitely gonna form it. Like this 15-minute mitigation with the OB. I wouldn't take it like this, obviously, but it'll look something like this, maybe. Obviously, we try to get a better entry and stop loss. So we'll wait 10:30, power of 3, maybe. Yeah, no worries, Cryptic, no worries. I wrote you yesterday that time will do its work. I'm up 1.5. Nice, bro. Nice. I feel different when you call it out perfectly. What could happen every day? I pretty much call it out perfectly every day. I think Friday was the one day we were wrong, and literally the last month, maybe two days. Yeah, no, I trust the analysis. It's just I'm not finding good executions, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I can understand this failing. The power of three, yeah, of course, bro. Every day I look for a potential power of three. Bro, this happens, Ilias. This happens every single day. I'm so used to it, bro. I don't know whoever comes here in the TikTok chat like often. You guys know, bro. How often, bro? The TikTok people are ruthless. Like, if you guys want, I'm live on YouTube as well. If you don't want all the trolls and stuff, I personally don't care. But um, I think this on Euro. Look at this. We called this out what at 9 a.m. Let's see if it happens. Um, you're in short. Talk your previous week. Oh, Euro for Euro. Euro. It's a good short. I think it's early though. I think it's too early. The YouTube family is really nice. Like YouTube actually wants me to do good, you know? What's up, Razin? Would you consider that I might want to break with you in valid entry? 1558? I'm gonna need you to go to the Eastern time, brother, because I'm on Eastern time. TikTok live. Yeah, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. I'm I'm trying to slowly convert people from TikTok to YouTube because YouTube is more chill. People are nicer. People are like asking questions. But if anyone gets futures trading on Monday, yes, why not? Thoughts on crypto or Bitcoin? Bullish until proven otherwise. Can I buy crypto without? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, of course you can. I appreciate Phil, by the way. Holy shit, I appreciate the 15. What is that? Oh, is that a bow? The 15 bows, I think. Oh, it says it right there. Fest burst. I don't know what that is, bro. Shorts, maybe. Nah, I would expect continuation long. What's the yellow level? This is your new week opening gap. Look at that beautiful. This is the shit that happens all the time. New week opening gap is clean. You just gotta get the right. Just gotta find a platform that doesn't care. There is a 15 on NQ. I think we're inversing it though. Well, not yet. Almost. When do you trade forex? I'm already starting, bro. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin now, personally. I wouldn't. I would look for intraday moves maybe, but not a long term investment. I would. Me personally, I wouldn't. Took a trade. If we took one loss here and then it went to TP right after. Bro, according to the Fibonacci extension, it can reach the highs are marking. Yeah, I know. I 100% think we'll go here, like without question. So NWOG, listen very closely. New week opening gap. Go to your chart. You don't see me live on TikTok. You gotta search up GatieTrades. Look, this is live chat. Um, One sec. Let me answer these questions. NWOG is 1759 to 1659 to 18 o'clock. Every single day, 1659 to 18 o'clock. That's your new day or new week opening gap. You have an $8 account, think it's tradable? I mean, someone in my Discord just turned 75 to 900. So I think he's gonna post a video on how he does it. Doesn't look like we're gonna get an entry here. I mean, 2 minutes, unless we start to really reject. And then we can look for this, maybe, but it's kind of a stretch, but it's possible. We'll wait. You do account management? No idea. What does that even mean? Nah, I wouldn't do that. I got too many things to focus on. But I'm trying to convert people from TikTok to YouTube. I go live on TikTok and YouTube every single time. There is a bear shorter block there, but I still think we're just gonna run right through. Right, we had our eyes on this. In fact, I think it'll probably go even a little bit higher than this to over here. This was my real objective. Previous day equilibrium. Did I mark that out? Oh, must have deleted it. Previous day equilibrium, and then also the 4 hours to be low. That's where I think it's drawn to. Nope, I cannot manage your account for you, brother. You can recommend any sites that don't require ID. Let me search it up, bro. On your trading, it's been about a year. Try Bybit, bro. I think Bybit's good. Opinion on Doge? I don't know. Looks pretty bullish. How can I see you live on TikTok? You gotta open your phone, search up GatieTrades. Bybit, it's spelled like this. I know a couple people that use it too, so it's not bad. There's Midnight Open. That's like TP2 pretty much. So we would have full closed the position there. In terms of getting an entry here, I don't know if it's gonna happen now. It's already hit TP2, so it wouldn't make sense for me to just. Would you recommend signals as a new trader? I would just do it yourself, bro. Depends what kind of trader you want to be, though. Do you want to be a signal bot or do you want to learn how to trade? Me personally, I'm too stubborn to take signals, bro. Like, I genuinely feel like I'll be better than everyone. So, no, there's definitely no correlation. I mean, you can find a correlation, but I wouldn't bother. There's better correlations to use, more accurate. Anyway, so I'm trying to convert the people. You took longs, yeah, but we got stopped out, and then, yeah, bro, you had every entry possible. Maybe you did. I didn't though. ICT, yes, ICT. I didn't. The only entry I could have possibly taken is the order block here. It's paired with the inversion, very small inversion, but it's there. And then there's also a breaker block right there. So it all aligns, but it's too like it's too low. Like it just became 10 a.m. It's pretty rare that the 10 a.m. candle makes the 10 a.m. low. You know? Please show the NWAC candles. Sure, bro. No problem. Right there. Wait, oh, right here. See, 1659, where we closed, and then 18 o'clock where we opened. Right there. 1659, and then 18 o'clock. It happens every single day. Link to Discord. It's in my TikTok bio. It's probably not gonna work. You're gonna have to copy paste it into a browser. Yeah, and there's your final TP, Ryan. It hurts. It stings. It stings right here, doesn't it? No, we did not catch the long, brother. We couldn't have entered here or here. It's not good entries for me. We took one loss today on the long. Yeah, we went long. I'll show the execution here. Just make it simple for everybody. Oops, it's over here. Respect it, bro. I legit broke all my rules. I probably would have broken rules if I tried to trade here. I'm crying. Me too, bro, on the inside, to be honest. 20780, maybe the first base on the pullback. Are you talking about this high? 780? Bro, 780. Whatever. We called it really nice. You previous day high coming? No, I don't know about previous day high, but like I said, I think it's gonna come here. Oh, why does the I keep disappearing? I keep putting in, it keeps disappearing. This would have been my final objective. This is what we called out at 9:20 a.m. What about your price continue thing? No, it wouldn't be valid here. It would need to take a low first still. It needs to take the low. No, we didn't catch the longs. We got stopped out on the longs. Again, where'd the I go? Oh, there it is. Hey man, we called that price really nicely. We missed the move. Why didn't you enter if you were confident? No entry for me, bro. It went too high too fast. Didn't put us in. There was no OTE entry here either, bro. Yep. Similar Angelo. Bro, where's your OTE entry here? Where do you even see a retracement at all? Yeah, the higher time. Yeah, but that's not confirmation. I'm still trying to get confirmation though. Still trying to get confirmation on the lower time frame. The issue wasn't the higher time frame. The issue was should have chased it. Nah, come on, I'm not gonna chase that, bro. I'm confident in all my trades, but I'm not gonna trade it though. We went lower than OTE anyways. At least we did here. So Discord link, is it working? You gotta copy paste it into Google. I know it sucks, but TikTok sucks like that, bro. My TikTok sucks. We took one loss. We took a long and we lost. Yes. Yes, got me pissed. I wouldn't say we got turtle souped. I would say we got time distorted. You know, on a day like this, and by the way, whoever was calling the macros bullshit, I mean, come on, bro. Can't make that shit up. Short? Nah, bro, don't. I wouldn't short this. I would just leave this. Me too, Sebas. Listen, let's talk about some psychology here, boys. First things first, I want to mention, I appreciate everyone watching me, as always. Appreciate everyone watching me. For those of you who've been coming in TikTok and YouTube, maybe YouTube doesn't know, but pretty much every single day on TikTok, there's like a good amount of people here who come and then they're like, yo, do the opposite of what this guy says, which is fine. I don't really care what you guys do, bro. I don't even care if I'm just here to stream and grow my community and shit, but there's always that one guy, bro. There's always those guys who are like hating so hard. Chill, you said that as a joke? I mean, I didn't even think that you said. There was another guy in here, bro. There was another guy in here who was like, this guy's fucking retarded, like whatever, and then he was like everyone just do the, like he was promoting himself and like trying to putting me down doing it, which I don't care if people try to put me down, but the fact that he was promoting himself, like, don't come in my stream and try to fucking promote yourself, you know? So, and there's your final objective there, boys. Well, not yet actually, but if you were here from the beginning, where was your initial long? I took it on the inversion at 9:39. I got in a little earlier. 9:37 close is where I got in. Yeah, post your trade in the Discord, bro. I'll watch it. I'll check it out or post it, whatever. But that happens all the time, you know? There's always gonna be someone in here. We took one loss on the longs, Crave. Do you have female friends who are traders as well? No, bro. I don't have any female friends, bro. I'm here every day. Psychology is actually so good. Psychology is not bad. Take care, cookie. But listen, let's talk about, because I think the same thing that happened to me happened to a lot of people. If you took a long today and lost, welcome to trading. You know, that is what it is. If you took a long today and lost, welcome. That's trading. If you took a long and then took longs again, but you broke your rules, I wish you the best. Because why don't you have female friends? Because I have a girl, bro. Can't be having female friends. The fuck? That's cheating, bro. Don't convince me Don't convince me otherwise, bro. Someone said haram. I mean, sure, you can say that. I took too long. My first long got stopped out. Valid, bro. But if you were bearish today, let me provide you some insight. You took a trade, you took one long and we lost. Let me provide you some insight, all right? I mean, we already went over this. By the way, we literally called this out 9:20. 9:20 a.m. I did this shit right here. I took the eye and I went, I think it's going to come here. I said, I really like this level. Why do I like this SIBI? Because it aligns with 50% of previous day's range. Hope you can run for days? That's impossible. Didn't leave runners? That's okay, bro. Yeah, but I would have broke rules. I would have broke rules if I entered anywhere here. I'm not gonna enter, like, if you look at that range, bro, I'm entering way like that's chasing at that point, you know? It could have, listen, although I did think it was gonna go here, I'm not gonna set myself up for failure. It easily, don't get me wrong, it easily, in my opinion, could have rejected from here, could have rejected from here, and just came back into the range and stayed choppy. It's still Monday with no news, you know? Although this was my drawn liquidity, easily it could have just rejected from here. So I'm not going to take a long, especially when we're at that level, you know? Maybe if it came back down and we got a retracement, then sure. But not from already in a premium, from a place where it could literally reverse from. It's not worth it. Short this? I wouldn't short this personally, but you can. It's too bullish now. And if I take another trade and lose, I know I'm gonna be tilted, you know? You know, if I take another trade, what are you looking for? I'm looking to preserve my mental capacity right now, bro. That's what I'm looking to preserve, bro. I know myself, bro. If I take a loss now, I'm not gonna be happy the rest of the day, bro. Like I know some of you guys can agree with me. Like you gotta know yourself, bro. No, we didn't cast a long. Impossible. Fam, you right for this? What I did for this. It's really impossible. Got fried looking for short. Nope, we took longs. We just got stopped out, and then yeah. I was bullish. I was bullish the entire day. Never once did I consider. I mean, there was that one 30-second period where I was like, this could reject off the 5 minute. But then I said, nah, I'd rather explain why you were bullish. Okay, let's explain why price went up, why it was bullish. Does Monday tend to have reversals? This isn't a reversal, bro. This is just a retracement. It's not a reversal. This is what I was expecting. The reason I was bullish today is because I was expecting it. All right, let's start from scratch. NQ futures, but it's the same thing. Nasdaq is an index. So Nasdaq is an index. I'm just trading the futures contract of that index. Let's cover why we were bullish, okay? So for some people to understand. First things first, I wouldn't short now, but if your model says short, short. This is Friday's range. Large candle closing at the low of the week. It's very common Monday will retrace into the week because Friday did not. That's one. Two, I'm bearish on the higher time frame. Lost both of your longs. I only took one long. Um, you could have, yeah. So if you're a bullish higher time frame, this is your discount OTE setup. You go long. Me personally, I'm bearish higher time frame. I think we're gonna do this at some point. We took one long and we lost. I think we're gonna do this. So if I'm bearish, if my eyes are here, right? My mic is off. Nah, bro, your volume is off. If I'm bearish higher time frame, I'm expecting a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday high of week. And because we had such a long range on Friday, my drawn liquidity, this is very, very common. Listen, I know none of you guys mark this level. I bet maybe one or two of you max. Previous day equilibrium. It's a fucking gem, bro. Previous day equilibrium is a gem. It's a gem, right? So, marking out previous day equilibrium, this is a red line, 4-hour fair value gap. I'm expecting a retracement. On top of that, you have this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. It aligns perfectly with previous day equilibrium. Look at that right there. This is previous day equilibrium. That's what I did at the beginning of the stream. I took out my eye, I put this right here, and I said, I like this 4-hour CIBI a lot because it aligns with previous day equilibrium. And on top of that, we have more reason to go up. What's the more reason to go up? The fact that we came down at 9:30. We have relative equal highs here. We have no manipulation above midnight open. And even if it didn't come here, forget all this. All right, I was gonna maybe potentially TP right here. Look at this low-hanging fruit objective, right? Like you don't need to catch the whole move to be consistently and very profitable. You easily could have just taken profits here. Relative equal highs, 15-minute bullish fair value gap. You don't need to look. You don't even need to look at the higher time frame. 15-minute bullish fair value gap, tapped in, respected it. This is where we tried to long but got stopped out. Equal highs taken. 15-minute fair value gap here in premium. This was my low-hanging fruit, if I'm being honest. It was here. The 15-minute equal highs right above is a CIBI. That's how far it can go above the equal highs. And then, if in this case it can come here in reverse, or it'll just continue towards this drawn liquidity. Depends on the day, depends what they want to do. And today we continued towards the drawn liquidity. Mark out your 15-minute standard deviation. I'd say that lines up pretty freaking well. -1 standard deviations. So, can you explain the previous day equilibrium? Yes, I got you, bro. So, it's pretty typical, especially on a Friday, but it's pretty typical in general. If you have a large expansion day like this, to see 50% of previous day's range, especially on a day we are expecting retracement anyways. Monday usually isn't forming the bulk of the week. Just look at these candles, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then you have Wednesday, you have Tuesday, you have Thursday. You don't see any crazy Monday candles going in the direction of the week, right? So Monday is usually consolidation or retracement or manipulation, however you want to see it. So if I'm expecting retracement today, and the reason I'm expecting retracement is because I'm bearish higher time frame. So if we're gonna go lower, we're not gonna go lower from here. That doesn't make sense. Smart money doesn't trade with that perspective. We're not just gonna continue lower and lower. The market goes up and down. It's gonna go up before it goes down. So I'm expecting retracement. So it's Monday. So that's one reason expecting retracement. 2 is I'm bearish higher time frame. 3, the third reason I'm expecting retracement is this fat ass Friday candle, bro. Friday's candle is fat. The target retracement level, the final target retracement is 50%. Equilibrium. So this is called previous day equilibrium. So the 50% level of yesterday's range. In total, 150K, Nadir. So that was my drawn liquidity. From there, I go to the 4-hour and I try to align it with something that makes sense. Because previous day equilibrium isn't necessarily potentially an algorithmic reference point. So I don't know. I don't know if that's something that the algorithm does. But what I do know is the algorithm for sure goes up for inefficiency. And there's a 4-hour fair value gap right there, right? So it aligns perfectly. It makes sense. On top of that, we have a 4-hour bullish fair value gap right here. We also rejected off new week opening gap, which is right here. This is your new week opening gap, this line I just drew. So in my opinion, really clean. Yeah. Hopefully that all makes sense, bro. Hopefully that all makes sense. Yep, I'm sure there's an indicator that marks it up for you. I like to mark up everything myself because then I know what to look for. Sometimes when there's an indicator, I'm sure this happens to you guys, like you just like get lost in the sauce. Like there's just like, do you really always look at these? I like to keep it very, very minimal. Whatever I draw, I use. Whatever I don't draw, I don't use, you know? High frequency trading? Nah, I mean, it's fine if you're good at it. Gold. What do you think about gold? Weekly. Yeah, bearish higher time frame. I think it's not that clean, but very bearish for value gap. Maybe. Oh, we took out the sell side there. Oh, gold on the right. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm bearish on gold. Yeah, bearish on gold. Yeah. For sure. For sure. Higher time frame bearish. Same thing on gold. You want to see lower prices. Where are we going to go lower from? Probably this daily fair value gap. Maybe we form a weekly. Maybe we get the weekly immediate rebalance. All that kind of stuff. But we took a loss today. And you know what? It was a good loss because originally we risked 300 on that trade, but we only lost 140 on this account and 115 on the other Top Step accounts. So that's good. And we missed the trade, unfortunately, you know, but it is what it is, you know. I don't think it was easy to get in on this one. It definitely was not. We waited for a retracement. We couldn't even get to this fair value gap. Like, just very bullish order flow. Like, this is definitely manual intervention. It's not typical algorithmic delivery. Usually you'll see some offer of fair value. What do I think is coming next? Great question, bro. Good chance for consolidation. If they want to keep sending this higher, like, what was your entry based off of? After 954 SMT. Yep, there was an invert. You definitely could have. Like I said, if you were going to get in on this, the only reason I did it is because I didn't like the 10 a.m. That's your inversion fair value gap. This is your breaker block. You definitely could have got in. For me, it just wasn't clean enough because now we could have entered here, maybe on this close. The only reason it's not good enough here is because this candle right here is 10 a.m. 9:59, 10. It is so rare. It is rare. And I backtested this for 1 year only, but 10 a.m. to form the low of the 10 a.m. candle is pretty rare, you know? In hindsight, immediate rebalance, I could have called it out. You know, that was the last long we took, the immediate rebalance. It's like you definitely could have got in, and it makes sense here. For me, I just wanted like this fair value gap, you know? Like that's what I wanted. It just didn't happen, you know? It is what it is. Looking for CFTC, can you give your opinion? So you don't want to see that low get taken. That's what I was saying earlier in stream. If that low got taken right here, it's going to invalidate the setup. You don't want to see it come down here. Unless it puts in an SMT, but it probably wouldn't have. I mean, if 9:30 puts in the SMT, you can expect 10 to expand. Are you going to be live on the PM? No, I don't trade PM. I enjoy the rest of my day, brother. 30 on top of my chart prices in there now, but it's the last 5. You can technically use all the end dogs. ICT recommends the last 5 just because it's easy. Got stopped to the tick. I hate my life. Welcome to the team, bro. High 5. Welcome. I deadass. I think I'm team captain for when it comes to fucking right trade, bad entry, or like being right and you know. What's SMT? SMT is a divergence. So many people don't know what SMT is, huh? It's crazy. It's so valuable. I don't know how people trade futures. I mean, you don't need to use SMT, but you definitely need to use intermarket analysis. Look at this. It stands for smart money technique, smart money tool, smart money time, smart money timing. I've heard them all. Most broken confluence. You have to be really good with it, to be honest. For me, it's not about the SMT itself. It's more about the intermarket analysis. Smart money trading. Yeah, I've heard that as well. This is SMT right here. I love stock and sell the stock. Explain this to me. What is it when you buy low stock and sell the stock when it's high? What do you mean? What is it? That's making money, brother. I think I must go 21.4 before I go up. Y'all know about momentum, directional, and failure SMTs. I mean, failure SMT, yes. Is the IC24 mentioned better than the older ones? Ooh, what's better? I think 2022 is still probably his best work, but 2024 is really good for day trading. If you're brand new, like you need to watch 2024 because everything he taught in 2024, I had to learn everything from 2016, 2023, some other videos, like all that stuff. I learned 2024 through that. In 2024, he put it all together just so nicely. Like my favorite entry model is breaker mitigation, the one I created myself. Breaker mitigation. It's my favorite entry. It doesn't form that much, but when it forms, the hit rate's above 95 in backtest. Actually, technically in backtest, it's 100. I've only ever lost one trade taking breaker mitigation. So that's out of like 80, 90 trades, maybe more. What method of trading is that? That's all trading, bro. House price. The reason I didn't enter was because it was exactly at 10 a.m. and I favored lower prices below after 10 a.m. first. Missed that long going off the chart before I FOMO. Exactly. Know yourself. What was your daily bias? Bullish since the beginning, brother. How long it took for you to be profitable? I mean, right now, last 2 months, I haven't been profitable. So, first 6 months, I was profitable every month. Last 6 months, not every month. Months were break even or negative. But what method of trading is that? Is that day trading or option trading? If you hold it for 1 day, that's day trading. Options is a whole other thing. Options is like the secure. Options is like that. Options is like a security, like it's an asset. You trade options. It's not like a type of trading. You favor lower price after 9:30, put SMT already. Why is that? No, I favored higher prices. Breaker mitigation is an entry model. It's when one asset makes a breaker, the other asset makes a mitigation. Listen, honestly, for everyone asking me about SMT, I'm not even trying to milk views. I have a video on my YouTube channel explaining high probability SMT. Just watch that video, bro. Like, there's no point in me trying to explain it when I have a video explaining literally everything I know about SMT. So I would honestly just watch it. What are you waiting for now? Nothing. Waiting for breakfast. It's done. We hit all the targets I expected to be hit. I'm not gonna sit here and formulate a plan for 10 to 11 to 12. Nah, I'm not. It's done. Take care, Ryan. SMT macros? Nope. I don't use SMT and macros as a correlation. I mean, SMT to macro is great. That would just be an extra confluence for me. What's the difference between breaker block and mitigation block? I'll explain it quickly. That's your breaker block. That's your mitigation block. You see the difference? Is the lower low. How much do you think you need to start? I wouldn't start. You need $100, bro. $200. Buy a funded account. Bro, your price review was on point, but you haven't done often, so for your first. Yep, it happens, bro. It is what it is. Yep, I agree. I mean, I think higher than Asia. Previous day equilibrium was my objective. but it got hit as well. So that's everything. I can't ask for more. Yep, inversions are really good. Please explain rejection block and mitigation block. Sure, I'll explain it. This is a mitigation block. It's the same thing as a breaker, except over here, you have a failure swing. Failure swing. Higher, low. This is a... You're scared about the payouts? What do you mean? This is the mitigation block. This is the mitigation block, right? So the one that would be your breaker. So this is a breaker. This is mitigation. Low, high, lower, high. Or sorry, higher, low, higher, high. That's your mitigation block. Rejection block, it's different. Rejection block, I'll show you one live. I wouldn't use the rejection block. It's not easy. It's not easy to trust. It's not easy to see. This is, for example, a rejection block right here. This, for example, this swing low is a rejection block right there. The rejection block is when you have a swing point. So say you have 3 candles like this. I'll draw the rejection block for you guys, but it's not, it's a weird one for sure. Say you have 3 candles like this. Right? And you have a swing high. If you have a swing high, so 3 candles, kind of like this right here. Rejection block is the one that makes the highest body. So at the swing high, that I put in, this is your rejection block. The body close at the swing high is your rejection block. I wouldn't use that. But yo, just use my, if you have any confusion about the PD arrays, just go to my Discord. Yeah, it's one setup can make you profitable. It's a very good setup. Just go to my Discord. I literally have a book with every single thing you need to know about ICT, bro. Just look at the book, do Control F, and you'll find everything in there. What's your Discord? It's in my TikTok bio. The link's probably broken on TikTok. When it's a breaker, it definitely stops the price to do not close below it. But why price enters into range? I'm gonna need you to rephrase that question. It doesn't really make sense. Apex and Top Step are better. I would use Top Step. Yep, Top Step or Apex. Bro, don't do TGR's fucking scammy ass funded account. Fucking do Top Step or Apex or My Fund of Futures. Take care, George. See you tomorrow, brother. You think I should sell, tap on our refugee, create S&T divergence? No, I wouldn't. Any sell now will be an inversion. I mean, you have to copy paste the link into the browser, bro. For some reason, it doesn't work on TikTok. The link works, just not when you click it on TikTok. So take that link into a browser. I personally wouldn't sell. Got you, Aaron. Got you. All right. Seems like no more YouTube questions, just TikTok. So, did I miss any questions? Shorts now? I personally wouldn't short. You can expect a retracement. Yes, for sure. You can expect a retracement. This setup does not look good. I don't know why. I wouldn't do anything here. What's the 5 minute looking like? Nothing, bro. Shit looks ass. I wouldn't do anything there, personally. But you can expect a retracement. What is a mitigated fair value gap? Whoever told you that probably doesn't know what they're talking about. But what it is, what they're trying to say probably, is when price enters a fair value gap. So it's just touching a fair value gap. So this fair value gap right here, if we touch in it, people say mitigated. I don't know why they say mitigated. It doesn't make sense. It's coming back here to offer fair value, not mitigation. But sure, whatever people will say, I guess. Can you look at the support that went up and explain where you found the trade? I don't trade support and resistance, but I can explain to you why it rejected from here. No problem, if that's what you're looking for me to explain. 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And your new day opening gap. New week opening gap in this case. And this is, by the way, this is your rejection block right here. So if you want to add that there. You invest in crypto? Barely. Just have a small portfolio. I don't think I'm going to be able to convert it into much. Shorts now. I wouldn't. You done for the day? Maybe. Nah, I'm not even gonna look at the charts again. I'll be on edge if I lose another trade after being right. Because if I lose, I know I'm gonna be like, I should have just stopped. You know. That is all ICT. Yes. If you know who Cotton Candy, that's how trading. Okay, I have no idea who that is. I don't know. I have fucking idea. This is all ICT's concepts, algorithmic delivery, very, very textbook. You see this kind of stuff all the time. You want any meme coins? No. Tell me to buy one and I will. Why not? Bullish day? I wouldn't say bullish day. Like I don't qualify this as like a reversal. I was expecting retracement on the daily chart. So yeah, I guess bullish day. I don't care where the candle closes. It can come all the way down here again. Doesn't matter to me. All I know is I was expecting this move up. It can reverse. It can stop here. It can do zero. The chart could close. I don't care. For me, I was expecting this move up. That's the only high probability setup. I can't tell you how this candle is going to close now. It could reverse all the way if it really wanted to. What I expect is probably going to do nothing. It's probably just going to just stay there and do nothing. Should I buy BERT? What is a PD array? A PD array is like a fair value gap, order block, breaker block, rejection block, new day opening gap, swing low, swing high. All those stuffs are PD arrays. If you don't know what that is, I'd recommend watching ICT if you want to learn. What is a high probability PD array? PD arrays are all activated by time. It's not about which PD array. It's about which time the PD array is being used. How long have you been trading for? It's been about a year, brother. Just about a year. I got my first funded January 31st. And I was learning for a couple months before that. The green zone I drew is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So the three levels we framed our trade off of, which we lost this trade. We still got stopped. You still trade funded? Of course. How long did it take for you to get funded? 1 month. Took Discord. I'll look at Discord later, the Bronx. We framed our trade. Well, we tried to get the entry, but we missed the trade here. We got stopped out. So we still took an L. But this is what we were looking to long off of. New week opening gap, the rejection block, and the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Those three high time frame confluences below New York open. Short? No, long. Oh, you're asking if I short here? Like I said, I wouldn't do anything here personally. How many trades you take in a day? Usually 2 max, bro. You love the ebook? Good, bro. If you guys like the ebooks I've been posting, you have no idea what's in store, bro. I use all the time frames. Usually I enter on the 1 minute, but I use all of them, bro. I mean, if your model says short, sure, but I wouldn't. The hard part is keeping the account. Exactly. What is high probability market structure shift? The market structure shift that happens at a key time, brother. In the direction of your bias. Sorry, no English. That's okay. What's your Discord again? The link is in my bio. You have to copy paste it into a browser. Unfortunately, it's just not working when you click the link right away. Thank you, Bronx. We'll wait 7 more minutes here. What are the best pairs to trade PM one-sided for life? Forex pairs? PM? Oh, man. Are you talking about Forex pairs for PM session? How was the short bias? I was bullish. You take a trade? Yes. We took 1 trade long and we got stopped out. But we saw the move that we were looking for. How to identify a market structure shift. You need to, 1, identify the market structure. So look at this market structure. We have a high. I'll make this big so it's fucking easy to see. High, low, high. Let's just leave it like this. Look at this. So we have a high, low, and then a high. This is your current market structure. Let's take this out to make it simple. Right? So if we're doing this, so mark it out. High, low, high. This is going lower and we broke structure here. This structure is down and we broke it. Market structure shift right there. You see it right there. Did we break structure downside? No, we just retraced. We didn't break structure. We didn't go below here. I do have 1 model video on 930 Judas swings. One of my favorite models actually. But I still have more to teach on it, to be honest. It's hard. I couldn't capture everything. Because it can form 2 ways. And I feel like a lot of people don't know that about double purge. Double purge is really good. That's just a change in trend, bro. Whatever you want to call it, bro. Same shit to me. Where can I watch my YouTube channel, brother? Where do you think the best place to start ICT? Now, I would just go straight to 2022, and then I would watch 2024. Nice, good shit, nice long. CISD. Listen. Let me just put everyone on real fucking quick. Go to my Discord. Click on ebooks. Boom, ebooks. Click on this one. 200 pages. Click it. Open it. Come here. Anything you want, just search it up. Okay, don't search up CISD unless search up change in the state of delivery. Hold on. Change. Okay, you're gonna have to search up order block. You're gonna have to search up order block. Search up order block, and you'll see everything about order blocks. Why is this shit so zoomed in, bro? Oh, there you go. Search up order blocks. It'll take you to, or just look at this. You'll see order blocks right there. ICT 1 Content 1.4, Episode 3, page 42. Go to page 42. You'll learn about CISD. Damn, how you made that? What's a double purge for you? It's when you're bullish, you take out buy side, then sell side. So people got faked short on the second run, then you take out the buy side again. And it usually happens in time distorted markets. These are your notes. This is my book, bro. And there's 3 more where that came from. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm working on the last one. Is probably gonna be one of my last ones. The last one's gonna be really good. The last one is gonna be like everything I know put into one book, and we're gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But it's gonna take a while to make. Take care, Ashraf. Thoughts on Palantir? You know, I actually made money off Palantir back in the day. I bought it at 15. Holy shit, that's 61 now. Bro, I bought this shit at 16, sold it like 20 back in the day. Like, yeah, I got it like, yeah, I got it like here. February? Yeah, that sounds right. I got it like around here. And then I took profits at this high or something. 22, yeah. Free? Yeah, bro, free. It's all yours, bro. Discord link is in my bio, brothers. You're going to have to copy paste it. Copy paste it into a browser. For some reason, link doesn't work. But listen, I'm trying to convert everyone from YouTube. Sorry, everyone from TikTok. Come on YouTube. Because YouTube, you'll have all my links. I can send links in the chat. Yeah, those are my notes, bro. I can send links in the chat. And YouTube's a little bit more professional than TikTok. I can't lie. Seems like a bunch of trolls come on TikTok, but on YouTube, I don't have trolls. So come through on my YouTube. I'm live every day on both. I'll be live, yeah, every day on both. I don't know. I said that twice, but you can see it live on YouTube. GatieTrades. It's me. The chat's here. So come through on YouTube. If you're a little bit like, I don't know, more serious, more consistent. If you're just here, whatever, TikTok, then whatever, chill. But YouTube's where it's at, you know. I'm getting into it. 2025. Well, you got 6 weeks in 2024, bro. Fuck 2025, bro. You have 6 weeks, bro. Lock in. CFTC, got you, my brother. All right, looks like we're gonna wrap this up. Gonna go make some breakfast. What do you trade on? TradingView, Top Step, My Funded Futures. What's up, Ali? Yeah, welcome, bro. Welcome. YouTube is kind of where it's at, you know. I can send links to you guys. I think the delay is better. Someone said it isn't, but I still think the delay is a little bit better on YouTube. It's less. You'll get the notifications on YouTube too. I don't know if TikTok does that. How'd you learn? ICT's YouTube channel, brother. But I appreciate all the follows. You can't find the ebook. Discord, GatieTrades. Click on ebooks. It's right there. You won't come live on YouTube? No. I'm telling people from TikTok to switch over to YouTube if they want to be like in here more consistently. XRP made me greedy up 60%. Nice, bro. W. XRP is nice. Daily bias, please. I was bullish already. All my objectives were met. So that's it for me today, bro. I mainly focus on trading 932.11. If you know, fuck, I want to tell you guys some shit, but I gotta be patient. I gotta. How does the funders you're talking about work? What is macro? 940 to win? Bro, Jasper, just listen to me. Forget anything anyone's ever told you about macros and just listen to me. 950 to 1010, that's your first macro in the New York session. 1050 to 1110. It's always going to be XX50 to XX10. What is the situation with your funded accounts? No more funded accounts, brother. Just got 3 brand new evals. Gatekeeper. I'm still working on it, so I don't want to drop it. I don't know how long it's going to take. I still need more time, What are evals? The challenge accounts. Did you take a trade? We took one trade long. We lost. What are the best pairs? Forex indices to trade 1 p.m. set. Indices as well? Just trade NASDAQ PM1 setup for life. The setup was designed to trade on NASDAQ or ES. Macros don't push price. Macro doesn't. It's just the time that pushes price. Well, you want to prove it to yourself? Go ahead. For those of you who don't need the proof because they know what futures you do, NASDAQ. What time is New York session? The kill zone starts at 8:30, but the New York session starts at 9:30. Been in the lab? Bro, you have no idea, bro. Insane. I'm about to go back to the lab after this. Yep, that's exactly what happened. We risked like 450 on Friday, and we lost, and that was the end of that. Back to step number 1, brother. All right, looks like the questions are fading out here. I appreciate everyone coming through on TikTok and YouTube. If you're here on TikTok and you want to be more consistent, you're welcome to come TikTok. I'll be live every single day, same time. If you want to come on YouTube, did you enter the uptrend? Yeah, we tried, but we got stopped out, brother. But so it is what it is. We were right we called price perfectly. Hey, did we ever hit the 4-hour fair value gap or no? I wonder. There it is. We literally called this out perfectly. Perfectly. So I'm very happy with myself, even though we took a loss. You're going to have to calculate how much, brother. I'm on Tradevate too. When you put in the order, you can see it. When you put in the order, you can. But then once you're in the position, no, you can't. You've been having losing months. How come you haven't pushed out the funded? What do you mean pushed out? Funded? Yes, brother. Just joined, brother. I trade funded accounts. I don't trade live. Just joined. Welcome. We're about to end the stream. I gotta go make breakfast. Let me wrap this up for you guys. If you're on TikTok, welcome. I live stream every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you want to watch my journey, I'll answer questions. I'll give you guys insights, whether you listen or not. It doesn't matter to me, really. For those of you who trust what I say, I will answer your questions to the best of my ability. If you don't trust what I say, then fuck it. I don't really care. It's GatieTrades on YouTube. If you want to take this more serious and be more part of the community, I recommend moving over to YouTube. YouTube to get notifications. I'll post videos. I'll post some shit in my community section. I can send you guys links. So it'll be a little bit easier. I think YouTube has a better delay as well. Someone told me it doesn't, but I'm pretty sure the delay on YouTube is so little. I think it's 1 second, maybe 3 minutes, something really good. TikTok, I think it's a couple seconds. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. Anyways, I'm trying to bring people over to YouTube because that's where my larger community is. But I'll be live on both TikTok and YouTube every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Today we called out price perfectly. We got time distorted out. And what's funny is I'm literally working on a model for time distortion right now. You know why there wasn't a really good setup here? Because it didn't need to be a setup. Price was already set up to go long. This is just time distortion, It is what it is. As soon as that macro hits 10 a.m., boom, we go. And that's what if I can get better at predicting this, we would have avoided this loss and we would have caught the win. But nonetheless, we were correct. I guess you could have taken this breaker for value gap. We didn't even touch the breaker. Oh, did we? No, we did actually. I guess you could have touched but still, it's so risky. Do you tell when you buy? You can do whatever you want. I'll be trading live. If you want to go in with me, do what you got to do, brother. Do what you got to do. Yeah, right? It didn't have to expand this much. Although I was bullish, Although I did say I think it'll come up here. Where did I mark that up? Although I did say I think it was gonna come here, it still could have went lower after, you know? It still could have. And that's why I didn't enter the trade. That's why I didn't chase it. There were ways to get in. For me, you know, I'd rather just sit out. You know, we only lost 100. Like we reduced our risk 70%, 66% on that loss. So I'm not gonna chase it. I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and do the same thing I did today, bro. And I'm gonna keep doing it till I'm the best fucking trader, no cap. All right, we're gonna end the stream. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I appreciate everyone coming through. We'll be live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Take care, everybody.